Alright, morning tube. The winch mount is done, but it's going to be a bit before we install it, and this is why. Not sure if that's picking it up, but we're at minus 15 degrees right now. My hands already froze from just showing. Sorry, gotta get my glove on. My hands froze just from showing that little bit on my phone. So, figured I'll at least go and show the winch mount. It's here in the pump house. It is painted. We just ain't gonna be getting it on. Even out here, this does have well heat. It's 20 degrees, but here we are. It's all painted. So holes. I did forget to drill the holes here for where my wires are going to come through from the box where you hook the battery to the control box. So I am gonna have to drill those yet. I did forget that, but you know, it's just too cold out there. My little battery bank for vehicles I'm not really using, I put up here. Just put them on trickle charge, and that way I have them for in the spring. So just a quick update. I did a beginner's mechanic, or you know, for somebody who just wants to start working on their own vehicles but don't know where to start. I am going to do videos on that. I have one done on how to do a tune-up, so you guys that have been working on cars a while probably won't interest you. It's more for beginners. I'm going to get that edited and put up, but yeah, minus 15. We've had some good couple snowfalls. Plowing out, I got snow piles everywhere. But yeah, it's just can't stay out here long. Like I said, it's minus 15 and it's supposed to be like this for the rest of the week. So that's gonna be pretty much all I'm gonna do out here. I just wanted to show that winch is done, and so just a quick little update on why my videos are gonna slack off for the next couple weeks, but still gonna be doing YouTube. I have the material, I have the tool, the Eastwood. I am going to start on my air boxes, but I don't have heat in the garage and that, so it's just going to take a little bit. So I hope, please be patient with me, and we'll see y'all later.